Act 1, Scene 3. Lady Capulet's Plan. The Capulets' house. Lady Capulet, Juliet, and the nurse are talking. Lady Capulet is sitting on a chair. Tell me, Juliet, how old are you now?
She's nearly 14, aren't you, my dear?
That's right. My 14th birthday is in 2 weeks.
Have you thought about marrying, my dear?
A husband for Juliet? How exciting!
Marrying? No, I've never thought about it.
Well, you must think about it now. A young man wants to marry you. His name is Paris, and he is young, rich, and good-looking. He is a friend of the Prince of Verona. I want you to try very, very hard to love him.
But I don't know him.
That doesn't matter. You'll meet him this evening at the party. You will like him, I'm sure.
He'll be a wonderful husband for you, my dear.